As a repair shop owner, have you ever said any of the following statements to yourself? I can't get more customers no matter how hard I try or how much money I spend. I'm not sure where to start. Should it be Facebook, AdSense, YouTube? What about postcards? Maybe you've said something like, hey, I'm just a new repair shop, or maybe just a small shop, and I really don't have a marketing budget. Maybe you've said something like, hey, I'm an established repair shop, and I've never really had to do marketing. But you sit back and watch as the new car dealers and big box repair shops virtually invade your market, and you know you've got to do something. Well, if you've answered yes to any one of those, let me tell you this, you are in the right place. Hey, you wonderful car count hacker, thank you so much for stopping by to watch this short video. My name is Matthew Lee, otherwise known as the Car Count Fixer. You might be asking yourself, what's Car Count Hackers all about? Well, we're a community of like-minded auto repair shop owners who just want to remove the stress of trying to fix their car count, get more customers, and finally make the money that you know you and your family deserves. If that sounds like you, then I invite you to stick around for a couple of minutes, and at the end, I'm going to show you how to download the Ultimate Auto Repair Shop Owner's Marketing Guide, Checklist, and Cheat Sheets. And while you're here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll get notification every time I upload new content. Before you subscribe, you might be asking yourself, what's different about this place? I'm going to share tips, tricks, and strategies that I use with my private clients and my underground group of car count hackers that are working today. Secondly, you're never going to run into YouTube ads on this channel. To me, you're a repair shop owner that's looking for a little bit of help or advice. You're not another view, click, or subscriber. Thirdly, we're going to talk about a lot of different things on this channel. Everything to do with auto repair shop marketing, getting more customer referrals, getting more customer reviews, digital marketing strategies. We'll even look at website reviews and a whole lot more. But while you're here, what's most important is that I'm able to answer specific questions that you have. And remember, there's no such thing as a dumb question. So in the comments below, just leave your question or your comment or your struggle and tell me what you're having problems with, and I promise I will respond to you and might even do a video about it. But while you're here, right now you have an opportunity to head over to carcounthackers.com and download this free marketing guide. It'll tell you everything you need to know about marketing in today's new economy, from digital to traditional methods, online and offline. So go ahead and head over to Car Count Hackers. I promise you, you're going to love what you see. Talk to you real soon. See you in the next video. My name's Matthew Lee.